look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jonique and I create fashion related content from lookbooks, hauls, outfit inspirations, vlogs, so you guys can get to know me on a personal level. So if that seems to interest you, subscribe down below. Don't be scared, I do not buy. But in today's video, I am going to be doing a Shein's bag haul. If you guys don't know, which I hope you guys know, that Shein sells bags. They sell everything now, and their bags are amazing, great quality, and they're affordable as well. I did purchase some new pieces and I wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to hide it from you guys. If this video seems to interest you, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and let's just get right into these purses. The first bag, I wanted to start off hot, so I got this orange bag. I will add the picture right here so you guys can see it, exactly where I got it from. I will provide the links down below if you guys would like that as well, so it can be very helpful. But I needed an orange bag in my closet and I fell in love with this one when I came across it. It's giving me like little mini Birkin. As you can see, I'll come a little closer, and it's like that nice dark orange color. It will go with any outfit. I really like it. It is pretty small. I would say it's like the size of my hand, can fit a lot. This does not come with a crossbody, so you're gonna just have to hold it similar to this, like this. But this bag is amazing. It can fit your phone, your lip gloss, your keys, and anything like that. Next up is this beautiful masterpiece. So I saw this on the site and I fell in love with it. It's giving me like that UGG design somewhat with leather, and I like how unique it is. I like the leather detail that it has here with the straps and it crosses. I like that the fur detailing on the strap and on the sides as well. This bag is very good quality. It is very soft and it has a lot of storage as well. So it has one big slot, comes with a crossbody strap if you want to wear it like that, or you can just wear it by the handle. I actually pair this bag in an outfit, so I will put the picture here too, so you can have an idea of how you can recreate something like this or how to style a bag similar to this. Next up is this dark hunter green bag. It is very small and compact, which I really love, and it is like that snake print design to it as well. Very good quality. I like the gold embellishments, even the little zipper. You can wear it like this if you want it, or you can even flip it around to this side, but I like the zipper detailing. It does have the options of the crossbody straps. It has a lot of storage space as well. You can definitely fit your phone in here. I like the little straps. Overall, this bag is really cute and it could go with a lot of outfits as a nice pop of color if that's what you're looking for. Next up is one of my favorite bags. I was looking for a red bag and it was hard because they don't have much red bags on Shein. Well, the design I was looking for, and I came across this beauty. So this is bright ruby red, very vibrant. I love the color. It just adds something different to it. I like the design. I like how it's cut. I like the little latch here. It is semi-small, but you can fit a lot with it as well. I like the gold embellishments. The bag overall is great quality and I would highly recommend it. If you're looking for a bag that is very bold and you want a pop of red or a pop of color, this would be the perfect bag for you. This is a statement piece and will elevate your look. Next up is this beautiful green bag. This is a dupe. I think it's for Bottega as well. I have to double check. I don't remember, but I love this bag. It is very great quality. It is a lot softer. You can see you can fold it, so it's not a hard bag. I love the quilted material on the bag. It adds a nice feature to it with the chain and the quilted look and the color. It just 10 out of 10. How are you guys liking the video so far? Comment down below if you've ever shopped from Shein or if you ever tried their purses. If you've never tried their purses, I do recommend that you do it right now. Try it out, purchase one, see the quality, see how it looks, and just base your analysis on that. If you need that push, you need that nudge, this is your sign to go buy a Shein bag. Next up is this cute mini pink bag. So I didn't have any pink bags in my closet and I just wanted something very simple. It's super cute, super tiny. You can't hold much, probably a lip gloss. As you can see, it's holding like 2 fingers at most. You can't put probably coins or cash. I would recommend for this type of bag. You can see the inside of it, but this is for something small. If you're going to the club and you don't want to bring a lot and don't want to lug around a big heavy duty tote or purse, this will be a perfect option for you. This isn't hot pink, this is neon pink, so just keep that in mind if you purchase this. Next up is the orange purse to the green. I love the green one so much that I had to get an orange. I decided to go with orange because I didn't have a lot of orange bags in my closet. This would be a nice pop of color if you want to bring out in any outfit that you have. Last but not least, this is the last bag that I purchased. I know you guys are thinking like, Jonique, drop the link right now. Yes, this is my ultimate favorite. I think this one, the red one, and the furry one so far are my top 3 favorites. But this bag right here, it is very compact, very adorable. I love how small it is. I will show you the inside. I like the gold detailing. It does have a little space in it. You know, I haven't used it yet, but I'm ready to style an outfit around this bag. Very soft, super soft. I love the white, the gray, and the black. I like the little handles. It is very different. I wanted to not purchase all the same type of bags. You know, I like the snake skin design or like the same cut of bags. This one was a very unique purchase for me. There's so many looks that you can pair with this, and I can't wait to style this, and I will let you guys know when I get. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this Shein bag haul. A lot of the pieces that I did purchase are very unique, and they added that pop of color which I needed to my collection. We all know Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so why not treat yourself and head on over to Shein right now and go get you some of these purses, or you can even send this video to your boo and have them buy it for you as a sincere little gift. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this. Bye guys.